This is Self-Discovery, the ultimate guide to your journey to self-discovery. Learn about understanding yourself to the core and seeking your origins. Written by Lewis F. Black. Read by Todd Studer. Introduction. Learning the way we work, as well as other people, is a very important aspect when it comes to living an effective life. We were created unique, and though we are like other people, we are also unlike other people. If we were just like everyone else, then everyone will be a carbon copy of one another with no individuality or artistic sense. Mankind will be boring. Even monkeys and other animals have different species, which evidences diversity. You and I are diverse, unlike one another. We cannot be like others. We can only be ourselves. But do not just be content with being yourself. Be a better you. That is why the Enneagram of Personality is such an important subject to undertake. With the diversity of mankind, it is more important to learn how to understand other people and understand how they work. Don't try and change yourself to fit into their mold, nor try and change them to fit ours. It is not what we are called to do. This audiobook is a culmination of years of study, analysis of human psychology, and personal experience rolled together. What works for one may not work for another, and likewise, you may or may not agree with some of the results, whether it is pertaining to your current predicament or not. It is just for self-discovering purposes with no intention to offend nor ridicule. There is no right or wrong type. Please do not get worked up when your result appears, because life is a process of discovery and a constant journey. You might be different 10 years down the line. You will never know. Besides, if anything else matters, know that living an effective life involves interactions with other people, which is often really difficult because we do not understand them. Suffice to know for now that listening to this audiobook will open your mind if you let it. Take notes if necessary, and above all, have fun with it. Get ready to unlock the mystery and your true potential at the same time. Chapter 1. The Basics. Synopsis. Enneagrams are a fascinating tool. Discover its humble origins, its role in psychology, and how it helps people. This chapter talks about the origins of Enneagrams, who started it, and how it has evolved, why it is important for understanding others, its popularity in personal development circles, what are the 9 different types: reformer, helper, achiever, individualist, investigator, loyalist, enthusiast, challenger, and peacemaker. Personal development as you know it will change once you discover your type. Read on to find the beauty in every different type. Where to start? The Enneagram is typically known for its accuracy in predicting the various types of human personality. The first inception of the Enneagram began with George Ivanovich Gurdjieff, an Armenian mystic and spiritual teacher. Although the Enneagram model has been known since ancient times, it was Gurdjieff who made the model publicly known. Only in recent decades that the Enneagram gained more prominence in the field of personal development studies through these 2 individuals, Oscar Ichazo and Claudio Naranjo. It is not really a typology that is perpetrated among academic circles, especially in the field of psychology. However, it has a strong following among personal development circles because of its unique structure for finding out how people work. Simply put, if you do not know yourself, it is very hard to begin understanding others. Once you know yourself, you will be able to do some guesswork on how other people work, hence saving you a lot of frustration when dealing with people who are from different types. The test is fairly accurate if the person taking the test answers them authentically. The Enneagram consists of 9 different points. Each point is connected to another point in a form of connectivity and association. Each point also affects the adjacent point, which you will learn in the chapters to follow. Below is a diagram of the chart and how you can understand the differences between all types
Sample complete. Ready to continue?